Hi, my name is Dr. Robin Abramczyk, and I'm a general dentist in Heath, Texas. I actually practice with a holistic and integrative approach. The name of my practice is Smile Ranch Dentistry, and I am here with a couple of my friends from Z Systems. This is Jim and Rubino. And tell me what you do in the company, Jim.
What I do is I'm in charge of the U.S. office for Z Systems.
Okay.
We're located in Massachusetts, and we service all of our customers here in the United States as well as in Canada as well.
Okay,
For
wonderful.
zirconium implants.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.
And how about you, Rubino?
I'm the CEO of the company in Switzerland. We produce and develop the product and we sell it all over the world.
Okay.
Europe, Japan, USA.
Okay, wonderful. So Jim, tell us a little bit about Z Systems. What is the intrigue? Why would a biological dentist, or why would my patients be interested?
Well, it's a good question. The nice thing about Z Systems is what we do is we develop zirconia implants out of high-performance ceramics. And our zirconia implants are metal-free, made through the Zircolife manufacturing process, where we take zirconium and oxygen and make zirconium dioxide, which is completely metal-free. With that, you get not only a metal-free implant, but you also get beautiful tissue results. Soft, pink soft tissue, the aesthetics. The also nice thing for a general dentist, restorative dentist, is you can also prep the implant chair side.
Okay.
So you can customize that shoulder and that abutment to make it perfect for your crown and for your patient.
I have a lot of my patients that come here concerned about heavy metals in their body, foreign objects in their body, and specifically titanium. Can you talk a little bit about that?
A little bit about it. The material itself, being zirconium dioxide, is no longer a metal because we've, in essence, combined two materials to make something that's completely new in a ceramic. It's a bioceramic, being metal-free. It's not zirconium, it's zirconium dioxide. Very much like salt. Salt starts up as two different elements. Right? You combine them, you get a completely new element. With this is a metal-free product called zirconium dioxide, and we call it our Zircolife process, a Zircolife manufacturing process. So,
wonderful.
You're welcome.
Thank you. And so what about the success rate of your implant systems? Can you talk a little bit about that?
Yeah, also with the 5th generation today, we have a very high success rate. So we are around 1% failure rate, which is very low. So normally, if everything goes all right, everything will remain and stay all right. So it's no problem. Especially with a 2-piece implant, you can, difficult situations, you can use a 2-piece implant, no problem.
Good. And so what do you have here?
I have here the cylindric first, let's say the classic design, which we started. It's now the 5th generation. It's a 2-piece implant. You place the implant first. After the healing process is through, you can then cement the abutment. You can prep like a natural tooth the implant, so you can have a perfect crown on it and aesthetic results. If you have a soft bone situation, you use the tapered implant because here you have a high compression of the bone and a high stability. So for the soft bone, you take this one, and for the normal bone, you take this one.
Good, good, interesting. So are there any patients that these implants are not recommended for?
What we have as a counterindication is bruxism. If you have strong bruxism, then you have to see that you are out of occlusion with the crown.
And explain to our viewers what bruxism is. What is bruxism?
Bruxism? Maybe Jim can explain it
Okay,
better.
so bruxism is a patient who a heavy grinder.
Correct. Yep. Heavy grinder. You put a lot, and so keeping the implant out of occlusion or very light occlusion helps in those types of situations. So you're not putting a tremendous amount of load or pressure on the implant.
Yeah, absolutely. So, okay, wonderful. Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
You're welcome.
And thank you.